Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the browser so docs can display dark visuals. Open Chrome or Edge and sign into your Google account, then load the doc you want to convert. Once the document is open, enable a browser-level dark theme or install a simple dark mode extension. This is faster than changing each page. Make sure extensions have permission for docs. Google.com. Once done, refresh the doc so the browser's dark CSS takes effect, and you can proceed to refine appearance. Now refine how dark mode looks so text stays readable. Open your extension controls and pick a mode like Dark Reader or Smart Invert. These preserve text color better than full invert. Adjust brightness and contrast until black text remains crisp on a dark background, and toggle font smoothing if letters look jagged. Make site-specific rules so only docs. Google.com uses the style. This prevents breakage on other pages. Once configured, reload the doc and check headings, tables, and images for clarity. Finish by verifying exports and fixing common issues. Preview printing and export to PDF to make sure dark mode didn't invert images or color fills. If it did, toggle the extension's image inversion or create an exception for that file. If layout breaks, disable other extensions in an incognito window to isolate conflicts and make site-specific changes instead of global ones. If problems persist, temporarily disable the extension and use the browser's native dark theme until an updated extension or Google Docs update fixes compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.